I am S.S. Banik, Zonal Manager, Bank of India, Hyderabad Zone. You know that Bank of India, which has come into existence in 1907, is now 105 years old bank. This bank has got around 3,500 branches. We have got 29 international bank branches as well as representative office. At present, we are having a total business mix of 4,45,000 crore business, that is comprising of deposits and advances. We are a global bank having a very large international presence along with other contemporary banks like State Bank of India, Bank of Baroda and others. In Andhra Pradesh, we are having almost 130 branches throughout the state. For administrative purposes, the entire Andhra Pradesh has been divided into two zones. One is Vizag, basically with the branches in the coastal Andhra, and another is Hyderabad. In Hyderabad zone, we are having 54 branches and we are going to open another 13 branches before 31st March 2011. The very purpose of opening of these branches is to increase our business share in the state of Andhra Pradesh. I can here say also that our Vizag zone, they are also opening another 10 to 15 branches before March 2011, and most of the branches will be opened in rural areas. You know that recently Bank of India has gone with a restructure. The said restructure has been defined as Sankalp 10,000. We have taken the consultancy help of McKinsey to have that restructures. This restructure is basically comprises of verticals. We have gone with 3 verticals on the basis of the type of borrowers. First vertical is large corporate. Large corporate means they will be having the borrower's account where the fixed asset investment is more than 50 crores and business turnover will be more than 500 crores. So all these large borrowers, they will be in large corporate banking branches who will be directly reporting to our corporate office at Mumbai. This will be a one-go proposal processing, need not be routed through the various layers, so that ultimately the turnaround time for giving the decision to a proposal will be faster, and my large corporate people, they will be at a comfort place. Secondly, we have gone with a vertical that is known as mid corporate. In mid corporate, all those borrowers who are having a fixed asset investment of more than 10 crores and up to 50 crores and a business turnover more than 100 crores and up to 500 crores, they will be housed in mid corporate.